Hi guys, it's BB. Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful monarch butterflies. I hope that all of y'all are having a lovely day. Alright, so in today's video, I want to thank you guys for joining me for this open collab, which is hosted by Sherry over at Turquoise Dreaming. So I'm going to be doing hashtag Thrifty Thursday. I've got a couple little goodies that I want to share with y'all here. And then also a unboxing and review. So let's go ahead and jump into today's video. Let's go ahead and start off with this cutie, and then we'll do the unboxing for this in just a little bit with just some scrapbooking paper that you don't want to miss out on. Here I have found some cute little appliques. I think I picked this up for like $1. Most of these were like $1 or $1.25, but look how cute and precious they are. I just picked up a few and I think they are absolutely gorgeous. I do have an upcoming swap, and maybe I'll get to share this with my crafty friend. And then I also picked up these cute little vintage playing cards, but I will do the little unboxing of these because there's several of them, maybe for hashtag ASMR Sundays, which both me and my crafty friend Kara over at Paper Confessions are hosting, and any one of y'all is more than welcome to join. And then the last two that I've got is this gorgeous flower you see there. And then I've got these ones too with the vintage packaging that I thought was so super cute. So that's all we had in this little baggie. Let's go ahead and have us a sip of this coffee. It's been a busy week with all like my youngest graduation. He graduated. I'll probably put a picture of him here somewhere. So we're very excited for him. And then this afternoon, I will be heading to my oldest. They're gonna have like a I guess like a bye-bye for the kids for band. So I thought that was really special. Okay, so here we have the scrapbooking paper, and this is from Bleds. You've probably heard me unbox one of their products before. It was their Cordless Heatgun, so just in case you missed that, I will be linking it down below. But they reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to do an unboxing and a review for some scrapbooking paper. And I said yes, because look how pretty this is. There was a variety of paper pads to pick from, but this is the one that caught my attention. I just thought it was so vintagey and so pretty. So let's go ahead and have us a closer look. So you get a total of 24 sheets, and this is 160 GSM in 6x6 and single-sided. But I love the prints that are on here. You could even do some little cut-aparts here. Wouldn't that be awesome? And look at all the numbers there in the background with the script and the flowers. I love anything floral. And I recently have been working on quite a bit of journals, and I think these are gonna be fantastic for those future journals to come. Look how pretty those flowers are. I think they're so pretty. This was on their site for $8.99. Like I said, you get 24 sheets. So I think you get two of each pattern. And I also want to incorporate these into my journaling videos, like where I'm just journaling about my family and stuff. I think these are gonna be so pretty. And I also wanna make like faux tickets. I think that'll be fun. So if I went ahead and I did that, I'll probably link it here. If not, then I'll feature these in future videos. But aren't those adorable? I think they look so, so pretty. So Bleds, thank you so, so much for having reached out to let me review this paper. Oh, here's the bag. It is also acid-free and one-sided. I don't know if y'all can hear the thickness of it there. I'm so excited to work with these. So, so pretty. I will have this particular pattern and style linked down below if you guys would like to check them out for yourselves. And this is not the only pattern that they have several. So go ahead and check them out. And that wraps it up for me, you guys. I hope y'all have a lovely rest of y'all's day. Y'all please take care, and I will catch y'all on the next one. Bye.